Okay, welcome. I will be doing a series of updates. These updates will be public as well as network updates. So, those of you who are in our network, you will be also receiving these updates as well. And the reason I'm going to do it this way, I'll continue this trend. The public updates, I'm debating whether or not to actually make the signals visible or not. If they are visible, they'll probably be delayed 1 or 2 days. Okay, and there's a reason for that. As these series of updates go on, I'll explain more as to why that is. Okay, but it is the end of the month. Today's date, let's see, so much is going on. So today's the 28th, Friday the 28th. So it is the last day of the market. Now, the market has been extremely profitable for us. And I'm going to talk about these things too, as far as perspective. Everything is based on perspective, because if you turn on the news, of course, you're going to see the opposite. You're going to see, oh man, everything is going crazy. But in our network, everything is profitable. Everything is going well. Our MAS score is high. So there's a lot happening, and it's all a matter of perspective, okay? So I'll talk about these subject matters as these video series move on, all right? So there's a lot to talk about. So I'll dissect every aspect of these things with every upcoming video, all right? So because it is the end of the month, we collect our profit in this account every month. So I'll go ahead and do that. While I do that, I'll go ahead and talk about what I just mentioned, perspective, okay? So if you go on the, before I even go there, the other videos will be account management videos that we've collected profit on, all right? And there's things to talk about in those videos as well. All right. I've mentioned these things before. I'll mention them again. And it's good to go over them so that they can become concrete and in the minds of the wise investor. And that's who you are if you decide to be that, if you choose to be that. Okay. All right. So as far as perspective, this account here, every month, it's traded according to the current market value. Now, everything is not perfect. You see some of these are not in profit, and they are going according to current market value. And just to summarize everything, current market value is just basically the long-term perspective. And this one, because every month, usually, a trading month is less than 30 days, really. But I'm just going to talk in the way of the way we see a month, okay? Just your average 30 days, okay? Even though it's not really 30 days, but it's less than 30 days because Sunday is like half a day, all right? And I'm on the West Coast, so on Sunday, it starts at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it starts with the Australian market opening up, all right? And on Fridays, it closes at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, and it closes with the U.S. market. So that's how it works on my side of the world. But on Friday, it stops at 2 p.m. So it's not really a full trading day. And on Sunday, it opens up at 2 p.m. And that's not really a full trading day. And not only that, but all the data that's coming in. Okay, I just got interrupted in the middle of the video. So the perspective. I mean, the market is going to do its thing. All right, this is the current market value every month we collect on this account. All right, so for the 30 days that we place these trades, they're placed according to current market value. It's not going to be exactly perfect. Now, some of these should have been going a different way, like that Nikki right there. I'll talk more about what's going on with that too. So that's one of the reasons why. All right. Not closing out when the market's open. But if you follow the current market value, you'll be good. All right. Now we have different resources available. We have Signal service available for those of you who want to follow us through Signals. Okay. And we also have account management. I'll talk more about account management on the next couple of videos because I'm going to go through these videos. I'm going to go through these accounts as well. The accounts that we manage. So I'll give a commentary on these as well. So there could be an understanding as to what's expected from us, what should be expected from you all as wise investors, and why certain things come out the way they do, etc., etc. All right. So we're going to close these out. So this month, this is pretty much the profit that we accumulated in this account. All right. So this one we can't close this out. And this is a Bitcoin account, by the way. All right. So perspective. You're going to have different things happening in the market. Now we give a daily report that comes out. It's a daily financial report, and let me actually go there so you can get an idea, see how that daily financial report looks like. And in this daily financial report, we have the direction of these assets, which way they're going in the market. And they're all according to current market value. Now, that's going to change. Some of that's going to change. Well, let me rephrase that. There's going to be another report coming out. Now, the other report that's going to come out will mainly focus on current market movement. All right. And even that, the concept of current market value and current market movement, it can be broken up into three parts. All right. So I'll explain more. But here, this is the update. This is the report. This is the daily report, and it pretty much explains how long we've been holding these trades for, which direction to take them, and if you want to take them. Now, this here also, the report also has something called the market alignment score. Okay, all right. So there's a market alignment, and that's what this is. It explains to you what's going on in the markets and which direction they're going, and how these alignments will benefit you as a wise investor when you take these alignments. Now, we have a lot of good alignments taking place. There's a lot of things happening in the world, and I'm going to close up this video with this final point. So as I'm entering the indices market. So with the indices market, we see there's a lot of sell-offs. The Dow is falling, Euro is falling, France, UK, the IBEX. The NASDAQ is a sell, CMV. It should have been changed. S&P 500. Okay, so volatility index is up. So now, just because you see with the news, everything's going insane and crazy, but we're making profit. We had accounts. I'm gonna show you those accounts. We had one guy this week, $2,000 in 1 week. All right, and it's all just following the CMV. So the point I'm trying to make is this: no matter what's going on in the market, even if the media in the world is just, the market's dropping 1,000 points. Yeah, well, okay, we'll make a sell. We'll take the sell on the CMV, and we'll make that $2,000, or we'll make that $1,000 for the day, or $2,000 for the day. You guys want to see the video? CMV, one of the accounts, gentleman, he made $1,000. We closed out at $900, almost $1,980, I believe, on Thursday, and then today's Friday. We closed out $1,000 in his account, so close to $2,000, but overall around $3,000 profit in a month. Okay, so that's just one example, but it's a common example. We're gonna go through all the accounts, and I'll make a commentary on those as well. All right, because there's a lot to say, especially towards those who are in account management, and how to mentally approach this. Okay, all right, so this is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, happy investing. Yeah, so let me end this video like this. I wanted to show the account, of course, and that's what's left in the account. And so the profit for the month, really, for this month, minus the losses, is 476,000 bits. Okay, that is a Bitcoin account. And some of these were readjusted during the month process. Okay, so you can get an idea of how that works. All right, now every account performs a little differently, but I just wanted to at least show you guys that aspect of the video. And now, happy trading, happy investing.